Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to take a long screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want to take a screenshot of a long document but don't want the screenshot to be cut into pieces, you can take a long screenshot at once. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first, now you can go to the document or the page that you want to screenshot, and then now you can take a screenshot as usual, and then now you can click this icon and it will be scroll by itself. And then so yeah, the result will be like this. So yeah, it is easy, right? And here's the tutorial on how to take a long screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A36. And thank you so much for watching. See you on next video.